Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML computer code elements. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML var element. The HTML var element is for variables. The HTML var element is used to define a variable in programming or in a mathematical expression. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. So for example, define some text as variable in a document. When they ask you to do that, you are going to have your opening and closing p tag. Inside your opening and closing p tag, you can write anything, whatever text you want to assign the variable to. You can now give it opening and closing variable. So inside it, you can write the text, and the text is going to become an italic text. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's just copy this one so you can see what is going on. Let me copy this. Let's get to our document. Our document is empty right now at the moment, and right now, as you can see, this place is empty. Our body is empty right now. Let's place the code we are having right now. But as you can see, the code is very long. That's why I don't want to write this by hand, because I don't want this tutorial to get too long. As you can see, it's so much long. The area of a triangle is 1/2 x b x h comma where click on all these things you are seeing right here. Anywhere you find the variable open and close variable, as you can see, this b now is going to be what? It's going to be italic. This h b, all the b inside this element here, they are going to have italic, and the this b variable b is going to have italic. The h also is going to have italic. The b also is. So let me show you some elements that, let me identify them from here. 1 2 3 4. We are going to have 4 elements that is having italic. So let's reload our document to know if we get it right. Can you see? We're having 1 2 3 4. So this one is having opening and closing variable element. This one also, the h is also having opening and closing variable element, and all this one that you are seeing that is having italic right here, they are having variable opening and closing variable. They are enclosed inside the variable element. We wrote them inside the variable element. So let me give you a quick example for you to understand this very well. Let's say the area of the area. Let's just write the area only, so I can show you something so you can see how it look. The height, let's just use the height like this. The height we want to use. Let's enclose the height inside variable so you can see what I'm talking about clearly. Let's just write var. Let's enclose this height inside what? Inside var, and save our document and see what is going to happen. Let's reload our document. Can you see the way the height is having italic? So that's how it works, and it's going to have the normal bold. So I want you to understand this very well and make sure you practice, because practice make perfect. If you don't do this, if you don't practice, how can you know it? It's impossible. You have to practice so you can be able to understand it. So chapter summary so far, we have discussed about the KBD element, which defines the keyboard input. We have discussed about the sample element that defines sample output from a computer program. We have discussed about the code element, which defines a piece of computer code, and we have discussed about the var element, which defines a variable in programming or in a mathematical expression, and we have discussed about the pre element, which defines pre-formatted text. And we have discussed about all these. The code element is for programming code, KBD is for keyboard input, the sample is for computer output, the var is for variable, the pre element for pre-formatted text. All these, they are all computer code elements. So for computer code element, for a complete list of all available HTML tags, you will learn more in our HTML tag reference in the future. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next. You can see we have covered all our intent to do tutorial on this computer code element. I wish to see you guys next time. Make sure you practice make perfect. Have a great day. Thank you so much.